Okay, problem 1110. We're given an equation. It's a quadratic. There's two solutions to it. They're actually complex. But what they asked me for is the value of this, this expression over here. It's pretty difficult to evaluate if I solve this for x and then plug in. So there's another way around it, and we took that way around it. And we found an answer, and the answer we found is the answer is 12. I'm just going to take a look at Sage and see what Sage comes up with. So first type in reset, in other words, clean sheet of paper. Define a variable x. The next thing is to define the function that we want to evaluate. That's f of x. And f of x equals, I got to make sure I'm typing this in. Let me pull this down a bit. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're typing this in, which is equals 5. That's times x to the 99. Let's see, minus 7 times x to the 69, plus 4 times x to the 39, minus 3 times x to the 18, plus 17. All right, let's go back to the code. The next thing I want to do is solve the quadratic. So solve. And what I'm going to do is assign it to a variable. And let me just go back over here. Type in the right equation now. And that equation is this one over here, which is x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And we're solving for x. Now, if you display what s is two solutions over there, complex. And I want to access those solutions and evaluate the function at those solutions. So let's take a look at the code, and we'll describe this to you. The first thing is how to access s. You type in s, you get the whole solution. If I just want the first one, it's going to be s0. Unfortunately, I don't want the x, so what I do is I do dot right-hand side. That's a function call. What's that going to give me? The right-hand side of that. Now, what I'm going to do is f of s0, right-hand side. And if I don't use the expand on it, it's going to just simply give me this over here. If I use the expand, oops, it's going to actually multiply it out for me, and it gives me number 12. Now I'm going to pull this up again, and the way I do is the up arrow, and I'm going to change the 0 to a 1, and that'll be the second solution in. They are counting at 0. That gives me 12. We're good to go. Thank you.